Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you already know Alexa can play music, but did you know you can control every aspect of your Amazon Music experience just by using your voice? From adjusting the sound quality to creating playlists, and even setting timers to stop the music. Alexa puts you in complete control without lifting a finger. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly advanced ways to control Amazon Music using Alexa, so making your listening experience smoother and even more fun. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. As for now, we can easily talk about the basic voice commands like Alexa play, Alexa pause, Alexa turn up down, volume, it depends. That's actually like two commands at once, Alexa turn up the volume or Alexa turn down the volume. We have also some advanced playback control, like Alexa play the song on repeat, it will just loop the current track. Or you can turn on shuffle, it randomizes your playlist. You can even ask her what is currently playing, she will give you the identity of the current song. Alexa, add this song to my playlist name or to my liked playlist, for example. Then it will add the current track to a specific playlist. You can play this album from the beginning. You can skip the next song. You can do a lot. You can even tell her to play songs like this. Just give her basically, let's say, a song name. For example, Alexa, play a song like Here Comes the Sun from the Beatles. And she's gonna choose some songs that are quite similar. Even though it's hard to do so, but yeah, she will. And that was it for today. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.